Hi everyone, Claire and Mr. Waterwick here. As you can see, he has already claimed it. This is a My Purrfect Gift Box, and I was contacted by My Purrfect Gift Box to ask if I would like to review their box. And of course I said yes, and it is a cat themed box, but it is different. He's going to attack me. It not only has cat things for you, it has for your pet. So it's a mixture. There's several different types of subscriptions. I will put the link down below. That's the right way. As you can see, he has already claimed the box as his. He's in quite a bitey mood today, so this might be an interesting unboxing. We shall see. Well, we ready? You ready? No, mine. Mine! Can I have it? I would really like it. I would really like it. Yes. Mwah. But I don't want to push you off it. No, no. Can we not? Come on, do we have to? Is that really necessary? Oh, I've got a bit of glare. I'm just gonna pull that. Ow, 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 you got me. You got me. There, that's better. That's better, Mr. Wick. Can I have a Oh, I've cut his nails as well and he still hurts. Can I have my box? Thank you. Thank you. We're here. There we go. Right then. We are right now. We're good. What's this? What's this? What's this? Oh, and here comes Stumpy too. He's going to probably jump off and kill her now. So here it is. MyPurrfectGiftBox.com, and it has just arrived. So I do believe that this is the May box. Ooh, what's this? Yep, and that says to Claire, Waterwick, Tigress, Patch, and Stumpalina. Oh, isn't that nice? And it's got a heart on it too. I like that. I'm going to keep that. I know, I'm trying. I know, I'm just not opening it quick enough for you, am I? Ah! Thank you. So the first thing on top, we've got a lovely postcard, Spring into Style, and it's the May box, and it says on the back what's in the box. So if we can be allowed to open it, that would be lovely. Did I mention he's a bit fighty this morning? Did I mention that? Thank you. Thank you. Let's find something for Kitty, because she did say that she was going to put some stuff in for Kitty. Can I? Ooh, look at this. Ah. Look at it. Look at it. Aha! That got rid of him. Ooh, and he took everything with him. He's sat in the window now with his angry tail back on. He didn't like the worms. Okay, so we have Pickles Crunchy Filled Treats, Little Pieces of Heaven. So here's the cat treat. And of course he heard that one from 2 miles away. He's back. Oh, hello. Hello. Whoop. That's going down quite well. I like that. Well, I think that is definitely a plus. I'm not sure what's in it. And we've got little Miss Stumpelina down here, so I'm going to see if Stumpy likes them. So. What's Stumpy like to try? Okay. We have got from the Heyday shop some cute buttons. And they're actual buttons. So you can sew them on. Proper shanked buttons. They're really cute. Wadry's not interested at all in the buttons. He's going back to the treats. And he's knocking everything over. Pink water. There we go. There you going again. And from Lovely Luna Crafts, is it a collar? It is. We've got a handmade collar with a little tinkly bell and a charm on it. That's really nice. And it's an easy open safety collar as well. So that's Lovely Luna Crafts on Etsy. The next thing looks like some kind of jewellery. Oh, yeah, it's just come off its tab. So this is a really long chain necklace, and it is what looks like dried flowers in resin. That's really pretty. So it is see-through. Oh, I've got coffee on my nail. That's nothing. Come on, focus. So that's a really pretty necklace. I like the dried flowers inside. That's really pretty. Gosh, there's a lot in this box, isn't there? The big pink thing, which I can hear you all saying, what is that? Is an embroidered case of some sort. Add to purse. A really nice big purse. And even your purse. So that's perfect timing. Hey Stumps. Stumpy didn't like the treats. She's left them on the floor, but she's very picky, our Stumps. Right, yeah. Is that what you're looking for? No. The next thing is the chocolate library, Your Perfect Chocolate Bar. So it's a Belgian chocolate bar. Oh, yum. That is really good. definitely having that tonight. And it still keeps on going. Wowzers. Then we have a really nice shawl. Really a large shawl, and it has got little kitties all embroidered on, not embroidered on it. Let's see how big this is. It is washable. That's a really nice shawl. Really big shawl. I like that. I should definitely use that. And is this the last thing? It is. Handmade pet toy. It is a kitty blanket by the looks of it, from tillypops.co.uk. And it's a really nice, soft, snuggy kitty blanket. Fantastic. Wow, you certainly do get a lot in these boxes. This is fantastic. So let's go over that again. So we've got 2 cat things. So we've got the cat treats and the cat bed. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 cat things, because we've got the cat collar too. So that's 5 things for us and 3 things for your cat. That is absolutely fantastic. Well, thank you very much, Kim, for sending me this box. This is an absolute steal. You get so much, and it's not cheap rubbish either. This is really good quality. Really good quality purse. It doesn't say who it's made by, but the shawl is really nice quality too. And I mean, a massive bar of chocolate. How can you go wrong with that, really? But that is absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much. And I will be back again, hopefully, when I've set up my subscription and bought this bad boy, because I like it that much. Thanks for watching. Bye.